Hi friends, today I received this product and I'm gonna open it and try it with you. This is a storage or a furniture like that for your shoes. I'm so excited to use it because I need this so urgent. Whoa. So the first thing that I have to say about this is that I love so much the color. Ooh, as you can see, it was so easy to use. You just open it. So as you can see, it's so easy to arm. And now it's all ready. So let's go put it here. I think that I love about this shoe storage is that you can use it for put another things, not just shoes. But I'm gonna use it for my shoes because I have so much. Another thing that I love for about this furniture is that you can use it for storage another thing, not just your shoes. But I'm gonna put my shoes because I have so many and I have no space. So let's put it here. So as you can see, this is the way that our shoe storage looks. I love it. I think that looks beautiful, and your shoes looks organized, looks presentable, and feels good with the rest of the room, as you can see. So I highly recommended this product for your room and your shoes. See you.